We are currently in profit on our Toshi spot entry. Congratulations if you took this trade. I think we should be up more than 40% in profit already. Okay, we pumped close to 50% from our spot entry on Toshi coin. Now remember I told you guys I drew this projection in our previous Toshi video, and I told you guys by the time we get a bounce from here, I'm expecting another rejection to retest the entry once again before a final bounce to the upside. So if that is happening, then it will be an opportunity for those who missed this first bounce to get into Toshi before that move, this massive move, begins to the upside. So yeah, we just approached a resistance as well. If we are to break to a lower time frame, to the daily time frame, because the time frame we just left was the 1 hour time frame, you would notice we just clearly approached a resistance zone around 0.00028, and we have another resistance between 0.0035 and also 0.00041 for Toshi coin. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. Regardless, we are in profit already. Even if the pullback happens to retest our entry once again, there is no cause for alarm at all, guys. If you're here to like this video, smash the like button, destroy the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. In the long run, I'm still ultra bullish on Toshi, and as you can see, the risk to reward for this trade is extremely juicy and looking very, very okay. You get, so by the time the real move begins, Toshi is going to easily take out the previous all-time high and rally aggressively to the upside. Let's even pay attention to what the market cap is saying real quick. The current market cap is seated at $103 million for Toshi with a 24-hour trading volume of $28.9 million. So yeah, that's that for that. We are going to definitely take out the all-time high for Toshi very, very soon. So let's talk about the BTC dominance real quick. The BTC dominance is still currently seated at 58.85%. We are left with 14 days and 6 hours until this current monthly candle comes to a close. Now, just like we had in 2017, 2021, by the time the BTC dominance start correcting aggressively to the downside, just like it did in 2017 and 2021 altcoin season, the altcoin market is going to explode in price to the upside massively. So we are expecting that crash to happen very, very soon. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. And yeah, so if you're paying attention to the BTC price as well, I gave you guys this chart a few weeks ago. It was a few weeks ago. That was November 2025, right? Yeah, I showed you guys this chart and I told you guys history is likely to repeat herself, just like we did here in 2022 when we broke below the 50 exponential moving average, flipped it into a resistance, and then continued the correction to the downside. So the history just repeated. We broke below it, consolidated, flipped it into a resistance, and we have now corrected to the downside to around $60,000 for BTC. So I won't be surprised if BTC loses the $60,000 zone next. We are currently trading around $69,726. So I won't be surprised if BTC finally finds her bottom between the 55k and also 45k territory for BTC. If that is happening, it's going to be another massive opportunity to buy more altcoins, to buy more of your favorite altcoins. So there's no cause for alarm at all. And we might not even get to the $40,000 zone. We might just stop maybe above the $50,000 bottom there and then continue our rally all the way to 200k for BTC. The market makers might end up front running a lot of limit order below the $50,000 level. You never can tell. The entire cryptocurrency market fear and greed index is not looking good at the moment. It's currently, although it has recovered from what we saw 2 days back, which was below 6. I think it was around 5 then. We are now currently seated at 9. Today is 14th of February 2026. Happy Valentine to you all. So I think it's not over until it's over. Sooner or later, we are going to begin to rally into the greed territory for the cryptocurrency market fear and greed index. So the orders chart is likely to repeat. History is likely to repeat herself with the orders chart. Just like I've said countless times, the 2019-2020 playbook is likely to repeat herself this year. And as you can see, it's obviously happening. The last time we bottomed in that 2019 era was August 1st, 2019, when the quantitative tightening came to an end. And also we bottomed, December 1st, 2025, when the quantitative tightening also came to an end. And ever since that bottomed, what has happened? We've printed 2 bullish candles already to the upside. So as long as we hold above this multi-year trend line, there's no cause for alarm. There's no reason to panic sell your altcoin bag at all. As always, my name is Isaac. Invest wisely. Whatever I say is strictly my own opinion. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe. Peace out.